Recently, I found a lot of arguments like controversial topics on the internet. One of them is like, is the air gun good for self-defense? This is a very interesting topic. You know, the air pistol, air gun, they have enough power and they use the like a metal pellet or metal BB. Looks really hurt. Well, but for self-defense, for personal self-defense, is it really good for that? You know, different people have different opinions. So in my perspectives, I think, yeah, it can do some damage. But I never done that before. And many people think like the air gun. It's not. It's just having fun. It's just for practice. You know, for physical education, practice pew, like for fun. Yeah, so we will see. Tomorrow, we'll see. Hi, my name is Angry Song. Today we wanna shoot the air gun pistol to shooting the target. Me and Victor, my two partners, to shoot the air gun. It's pretty awesome. Let's get started. This is the .177, the air pistol, the BB, and we are reloading this kind of metal BB. And this is Victor. He's a good U.S. Army, the first sergeant in the USA, and he is retiring the first sergeant, and he have been to the Vietnam War and the Iraq War. He's a very good shooter, and he told me he is in the Charlie Company, and so we will see his shooting.
还是瞄得很准的。
You see the oranges, and it has some holes in there, and the liquid is coming out. See?
Yes.
Yeah.
The liquid coming out.
Yeah. It's not very obvious, but you
drop off to the
yeah.
ground.
Yeah. This is like a Crosman, the El Paso. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So awesome. This is the steel target. We bought it from the Big Five. And we already shoot some hole in there, and it's just some little bit scratch from the 177, and we will shoot again. So let's show the people can. It's like a metal can. Let's see. It's disgusting. It's totally broken. Này mà.
Đã không qua giờ. Let's shoot the plastic bottle. Wow, 继续。
录下来了。
录下来了。 先打开。
Yeah, all the BB is in the bottle and in the plastic bottle, and they didn't get the penetration. It looks very cool. The water is spilled everywhere. Oh shit! So the glass was totally broken by the .177 BB. It's totally broken there.
Okay.
Yeah. So, after today's shooting, we found a lot of interesting results about this air gun. So, we reviewed this pistol and we find the truth about the air gun good for self-defense, well a lot for self-defense. Well, yeah, we find that it do has a lot of power, when we try to to explode the glass bottle, and we shoot the paper can, and even the plastic bottle, it totally totally be broken, and even though it didn't get a penetration about the plastic bottle, but it did to get the hole in there, and they ended the bottle, and I think they have enough power to hurt people, after we shooting the glass bottle, plastic bottles, and the paper can, soft drink can, they do have a lot of damage, and it's really powerful, I think. The power is lower than the firearms, but it's better than the airsoft. So, in conclusion, the air pistol, they have enough power to hurt some people, but for self-defense to stop the people, I don't think so. It just hurt people, hurt the skin, or get the blood, but you want to kill the people? No, I don't think so. So in this situation, air gun, it is not good for self-defense, because if you shoot someone, you hurt him, you hurt the robber or the murderer, and they will be angry. They'll be angry. If they have the real firearms, they will shoot back, or they have the lab, they will kill you. Yes. So if you have an air pistol, I don't think it is good for self-defense. You just to practice in your home or in your yard or in the outdoor, just for shooting for fun. Yeah, they have enough power, but not enough for self-defense. That's it.